Yes, 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 yes. Yeah, nation people. I like 5:55 in the morning. You know, things I get shell way, hotter than we hell. No gimmicks, no the inner it. So so we are real man. You see what I say? We can do every little thing for ourselves. Plus we have our own brain. So we not do follow back. You hear that? No gimmicks thing not there in our game. No lollipop thing not into it. But watch me now, nation people. Me no know. But right now, me see like the whole of dancer like them are getting a war mode. From the Vegas killer to the Khago ioctane. Now me see Skinner throw word off a massacre. And me see alkaline. He might throw a word off a either squash man or law boss or the two of them. But here what I go on right about now. Right now, people, me could go and watch the ioctane Khago war because here what I go on. The war transform in a nice thing, my brother. Don't lie about it. Like at the first clash this way, it come like normally. Are the fans them would have ball to the artist them and I say drop song. The clash here, the fans them a ball and I tell the artist, dog, una go too fast. We can't keep up. We can't get for second and get for like a song. Because every minute, one or two song a drop. Bumbo clad people, me not gonna lie to you, my brother. The way the man them a release song, my brother, it off the chain to bumbo ass clad. Me never look for this, you see what I say? Yeah, it's like it's a world record breaking stuff, my brother. When you talk about clash thing, normally clash no run like that, my brother. Me no know like the man them a fight for the leader, them a fight for the next one. Follow them or you know what I mean? Cause that one probably a fight for the next one as we are counter rock him. And the next one and it goes the both way. My brother, me not gonna lie star. The man them a drop some raw tune right now. Me not lie it. Excellent, my brother. Me like it. You know what I mean? Yeah man. Me love it, my brother. Yo, me feel like the clash, I take it time I reach on the ground, Especially in the parish them, You see in the parish them, like the country era, the clash of shell way, hotter than we hell, gimmicks bomb buckler thing not dead about it. But when me need the clash to do a divert in a Kingston pon the ground, where you hear all boom boom and them man, they went and them a juggle and them thing that the clash, the song them can in them juggling and them shit there. You see what I say? From it reach on that stage, you know say it a go superb. No joke not there about it. Yeah, it a go superb meaning like say even if the artist them even touch a show, the show a go burn up people. You see what I say? Yo, I like how the two artists them a deal with it, my brother. You see what I say? Because right now, to me, it's like the two of them is a winner. You see what I deal with too? I see people are catch on to the clash and to the people them are divert and to all the artists them even drop song. You see what I say? Because the artists them come like them equal to the task right now. You see what I deal with? No joke shit not dead about it. You know what I mean? Yeah, it's a wonderful sight, my brother. And it's a wonderful thing for you listen, you know what I mean? Like back to back to back. Y'all drop asleep and when you get up all a rascal song drop. You know what I mean? You roll up your spliff and as you light up your spliff and look, a notification song drop. You say bumbo rascal. Them man you not easy. Eh? Me bumbo clot. And somewhat, yo, the man them no fuck, dog, yo. Me I tell you, you know what I mean? Song enough like raindrops. No gimmick sting. Mm-hmm. No gimmick sting no out the nation people. Me not lie about it. Yeah man, the man them a deal with it miserable. Me never look for this. You see what me I say? All in a one day you get all four songs. Two from each brother. You know, she said the brother them a move in a super drive, cause that are not even overdrive, a super drive. Yo, I know a whole heap of lyrical artists and them shit there, you know. And them thing there now. I not go say, well, then them are the most lyrical artists or them lyrical more than the other artists. But talk the truth, to the way how the man them drop song to Bumber or Clot, you are the first me ever see this in a dance hall, my brother. The man them come like radio itself to Pussy Clot. To the man them does a release song, a rip-off song, yo. The man them tough fire. You know what I mean? Me give the eye them top respect. You know what I mean? I say, yeah, right now the man them make dancehall nice and I so come even. You can see even Skeng and Alkaline forward out and not show shades because them see it. You see what I say? Yeah, I know say know them ever get themselves in a nothing like that. Them know. Say I straight back to the #1 spotlight because that's where them thing they bring. And I now go say, well then, ioctane and Khago go move to the #1 spotlight. But right now, this is what go on social media and this is what go on in a real life. And the man them a bring it. You see what I say? So, it not really matter who, my brother, as long as the man them a bring it and the people them a enjoy themselves and a full joy themselves, it's a great look, my brother. You don't know you don't know you gotta have people who are cheer for both sides. You see what I deal with? Yeah. And no stone no unturned, my brother. You see what I say? It's a great look for the artists them for me. I like it. You see what I say? For both individual. You see what I deal with? Me, hope it can go on more. You see what I say? I hope it can go on to the timing of Sunfest where me hear like the artists them I get booked for. If it can go on to that time there, it's a great look. Then me know say it can lead on to Sting. You see what I say? Me not expect even if them go Sunfest, them supposed to clash each other. But me expect it when each of them get them time, them supposed to do them song and deliver that to the crowd and watch the response and know say well then I would have it would have be like a Sting of the I like the grand finale, you see what I say? Like a dessert I got any, you see what I deal with? So no joke thing na the inner it. Or no lollipop thing na the inner it. Big up Khago, big up ioctane. The thing look well excellent. It's more than what me even did imagine or even believe. Me never know say I so hard unu go. You see what I say? When I time me hear people all friends like say them I say well then unu should not do no song on no slow beat. The only thing what would I say about that, like I think like most of the song them should have dep on the same beat. But beside from that, yo, on a show on a versatility and a show on a class in the class. You see what I say? And that good, my brother. Because the people them react to even the slow beat music them too. People are react to them hard and people love them. You see what I say? So my sister wanna mix it up and stir it up. So now give them all different type of spice. Yo, big up on yourself. You see what I say? Yeah man. And the war boat that we Khago drop, miserable. The song what ioctane drop earlier, miserable. You see what I say? So everything cute and crisp. And nobody can this, cause no gimmicks thing about ya. Watch. 10 star, you know? Gaza way. Hey, there ain't no other way. What?